Hello guys. Now this is an LED light bulb, and if we broke it, we thought this was made of glass, but we found out this is not, so we can break it.
It's a plastic, right?
Yes, it's plastic. And now
And this is also
and
hard
this
plastic.
is also made of plastic.
And we used
used a hammer to break this awesome light bulb, and you can see that inside there's a little
IC, integrated circuit IC,
and I see there's a little bit of
this is capacitor.
Capacitor over here, and these are two wires stuck in the end of the light bulb. So if we do it like this, it's kind of like this, and inside here there's lots of this is
LED plus, LED
this is
minus.
LED minus, this is LED plus.
Wait.
Okay, back to work. Now we opened the circuit inside, and now we can see there's a little board over here which shows the little, that's a IC. It's a circuit board, IC. Now, this is a transformer
or
inductor.
We are not sure.
We're not sure. And these are capacitors. And we don't know how this works, but still,
upside down, Koro.
If we do it upside down, it's something like this with the minus thingies. And if we take this off, this is how it looks like.
Oh. Wow.
And you can see that it has some golden wire, copper wires in there that makes it, I think that this copper wire makes some heat and then lights up the light bulb.
No. You need to study a lot, inshallah. Okay. Look, but what about this one? I mean,
I think these yellow things are
chocolates.
Not chocolates.
Okay. All right, we can finish. But by the way, this is okay.
Okay, back to work. Well, basically, this small little chip is a diode. LED diode.
Yeah, light emitting diode.
Light emitting diode. And this, I think this makes the light to chocolate.
No.
So this small thing has two. You can see it's like a pause button, 2 legs, and it's like a pause button. And
why does it call diode?
It's called diode because
it has 2 legs.
It has 2 legs with that